Might want to think twice before eating oatmeal. Is oatmeal healthy? Oatmeal can be a healthy food choice for many people, as it is a good source of fiber and has been linked to several health benefits. Oatmeal is made from whole oats, a nutrient-rich grain containing complex carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and a range of vitamins and minerals. Is oatmeal bad for you? Some potential downsides to eating oatmeal may make it a less than ideal choice for certain people, but it is not necessarily bad for you in general. Here are a few reasons why some people may choose to limit or avoid oatmeal. 1. High carbohydrate content. Oatmeal is relatively high in carbohydrates, which can concern people watching their carbohydrate intake, such as those with diabetes or those following a low-carbohydrate diet. Consuming too many carbohydrates can also lead to weight gain and other health issues. 2. Phytic acid content. Oatmeal contains phytic acid, a compound that can bind to minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium and prevent their absorption in the body. This can lead to mineral deficiencies over time, especially in people who consume a lot of grains and legumes. However, soaking oats overnight in water or another acidic liquid can help reduce their phytic acid content and improve their digestibility. 3. Gluten sensitivity. While oats do not contain gluten, they are often processed in facilities that also process wheat, barley, and rye, leading to cross-contamination. This means that people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity may need to avoid oatmeal altogether to prevent adverse reactions. 4. Added sugars. Some varieties of oatmeal, particularly instant oatmeal, can be high in added sugars and other unhealthy ingredients. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and other health issues. Therefore, reading the labels and choosing oatmeal varieties with minimal added sugars or sweeten oatmeal naturally with fruit or honey is important. 5. Digestive issues. For some people, eating oatmeal can lead to digestive discomforts like bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. This may be due to its high fiber or phytic acid content, which can inhibit the digestion of starches and proteins. While oatmeal can be a healthy food choice for many people, it may not be the best option for everyone. If you have concerns about how oatmeal may affect your health, it is important to talk to your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. However, if you are looking for foods to replace oatmeal in your diet, there are a number of options that can provide similar nutritional benefits. Here are some examples. Eggs. If you are looking for a high-protein breakfast option, eggs are great. They can be prepared in various ways, such as scrambled, boiled, or poached, and paired with vegetables, whole grain toast, or other healthy ingredients. Quinoa. Like oatmeal, quinoa is a whole grain high in fiber and protein. It can be cooked similarly to oatmeal, flavored and topped with various ingredients. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of protein and healthy fats, making them a nutritious option for breakfast. They can be soaked in milk or water to create a pudding-like consistency and can be flavored with various ingredients. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is another whole grain high in fiber and protein, making it a great option for breakfast. It can be cooked similarly to oatmeal and topped with various ingredients like fruits, nuts, and seeds. Amaranth. Amaranth is a gluten-free whole grain high in protein and other essential nutrients. It can be cooked similarly to oatmeal and topped with various ingredients to add flavor and nutrition.